Guys, girls, cats, dogs, whatever you are, we hit 5,000 subscribers together. 5000. That's a lot of zeros, dude. You know how many zeros that is? Let me show you how many zeros that is. So just to visualize, this is 100 people. That's 2 zeros. 100 people, right? This is about 1,000 people. And then you multiply it by 5, and that's 5,000 people, which is how many people that are subscribed to my channel. But that's a lot of people, dude, and that's a lot of zeros. So thank you guys so much for that. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some Photopea premium keys that you can redeem on the website to get premium. So it's super easy to enter. All you got to do is subscribe, like this video, share it, and just leave a comment down below about the giveaway. And I'm going to pick a random person after a few days or something like that. And I will tell you to email me, and you can just email me and then I'll send you the key. Thank you guys so much again. This is crazy. We're halfway to 10,000 and I think we can get to 10,000 by 5 months, 6 months, or my channel might die, fall off, and then I go broke. We'll see what happens. Anything can happen. I didn't think I could hit 5,000 and I did. So anyways, I'll stop rambling, but that's how you guys enter the giveaway. Good luck to all of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.